Hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So now we are solving the third exercise under the topic of Introduction to Indices. So the exercise goes by simplify the following expression. So we have 3x y times x to the power negative 4 first all cubed. 3x squared all cubed times x to the power negative 4 all on 9x squared. The solution. So, as we always said, when we see this type of equation, we first solve for what is inside the bracket. That is what was taught to us, to you in class 6 or class 5, BODMAS. BODMAS is the bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So when you see a mathematical expression like this, you have to start with what is inside the bracket. So this is bracket of division. So you start with bracket, next is of. Of means of is like times. So when they say maybe to pair of 5, just like times, in the manner we 2 paired times 5. So that's an aside, that's not what we're doing now. This is just to show you that we have to start with the bracket. So what is in the bracket? We have 3x squared, all that cube. So how do we solve this? It is of this form. This law, the power of powers law. So it is also mixed with this one, and this one too. These two are mixed because we have a product on base. We have two things. You have a product here. Product means multiplication. We have two terms inside the bracket which are multiplying, which are raised to the power something. And you have also a power of powers because here we have a power of powers. But here the power of powers is just applied to one term. It's not applied to both of them because just one term has power. So all you do first in this one, because both of them are to the power 3, so it's of that form on this form there. So this will be equal to 3 to the power 3 times x squared all of it to the power 3. So you put this 10 to the power 3 times this 10 to the power 3. What is that going to be? That is going to give us 3 to the power 3 is 27 times, this is just 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times we did here 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So here we have 27 times. Here now we can apply our power of powers law. Here we see that n times n give it is the power m to the power n give a to the power m or n times n. So our m is 2, our n is 3, and our a is x. So we're going to have x to the power 2 times 3, which is m times n there, 6. So since here is a constant with a variable, you can write it as 27x to the power 6 without the times, without even the dots. That already makes multiplication. So this is what is inside the bracket. We have expanded it, the bracket. This is the bracket part. So we can write this one as 27x to the power 6 times x to the power 9 minus 4 all over 9x squared. So what is this going to be? If we take the upper part, we have 27 x to the power 6 times x to the power minus 4. What is going to be? We consider that this is our first of all, we have the same dates, x and to the power 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So that is going to be x to the power, here it is m plus n, because the base here was m and the base and the power here was m and the power here was n. So just add up the two. So here I'm going to bring the same. The power here is 6 and the power here is minus 4. So I follow that too. So you can write 6 plus minus 4 or 6 minus 4. You can see plus and minus. The minus of units, or you see plus and minus directly close to each other. The minus of units. If there is a number here, if you see plus and minus after a number, they do not dominate, but if they are direct close to each other, you can represent it immediately as minus. Just like we did here. It was going to be 6 plus minus 4. 6 plus minus 4. So you can represent it immediately as 6 minus 4 over 9 squared. So what is this going to be? 9x squared, sorry. What is this going to be? We have 27x to the power 6 minus 4 is 2. Divided by 9x to the power 2. So here we can see that we have x to the power 3 and x to the power 3, x squared, x squared. So you can simply say, here you can use two methods. You can use the 0 dual, a to the power 0 is 1. Like anything raised to the power 0, where a is not equal to 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. You can choose to say that, okay, come here, you can choose to say that, yeah, 27x squared all over 9. Since you have x squared divided by x squared, we use the quotient rule and bring it, we put it as x to the power n minus n. In this case, our m is 2 and our m is still 3. So it's to the power x to the power 2 minus 2, which is going to give you 27 on 9 x to the power 0, which is equal to 27 on 9. 27 on 9, x to the power 0 is 1 because anything raised to the power 0 is 1, where x is not 0. So your assume is 1. Here you can cancel 1 time and cancel 2 times, you're going to have 2. So this is one method where you can use to solve it. Or you can say that from here. You can say that from here. Just put a shortcut for it to move where you park. You can say that from here, yeah, 27x squared over 9x squared. Any number divided by itself is going to be 1. So this two are going to cancel and give you 27 over 9. And it is just going to be equal to 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So yeah. That is all about the exercise 3. So what did we do? Let's recall. What we did was we first took what was inside the bracket. That was 3x squared is the power 3. And we use our power of quotient law because of the quotient we are multiplying by power. So we take 3 squared, 3 cubed times x squared all cubed. So 3 times 3 is 7, x squared all cubed is x to the power 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. So when you want to try this 2, you are going to have 27x to the power 6. That is all for what they inside the bracket. And even outside, we have already done the power 3. So all of this is going to be always. So you have this multiply times, multiply by x to the power minus 4. And we divide by 9x squared. So when we do that operation, I'm going to have this 27x to the power 6 minus 4. Why? In accordance with this first law, what the first law says, when you see like terms with different powers, you add the power. So 6 plus minus 4 is going to give you 6 minus 4, which is 2. And I got back what is down. Since what is down, the power of x down will be same as the power of x up. And both bases are also the same. I can cancel it because anything divided by itself is 1. given that the q is not 0. So you can use this method which passes through this to have to, or we can just divide this two and see that 87 divided by 9 is 3. So I'm sure that's understood. So thanks for watching exercise 3, because I invite you to go and watch exercise 4. And from now to then, keep on solving with awesome Educlynk quiz.